If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. Because your girl is back with another video. So I'm about to get into this video and we about to install this wig. A quick closure wig, glueless. So I'm going to be using the Dola Hair. It's a closure wig. And I did bleach the knots and I did do some plucking. I did put some makeup on it. I used a L'Oreal True Match press powder, and it does have a piece of lace on the side. Even though it is a closure, it has a piece of lace like on the edges part. So this is all the stuff that came with the wig. 2 clips. It came with an edge brush, wig caps, and a wax stick. And this is the elastic band. This elastic band is so unique. So it's adjustable, so you can adjust it to your liking. And I feel like that's pretty dope. So now it's time to apply the wig. And y'all, don't mind the makeup on my lash. Like, I totally forgot it was there. I meant to put like liner there, but I totally forgot about it. But don't mind it. And these lashes is by, I'm gonna put her Instagram right here, Yana Beauty. I love her lashes. Her lashes are bomb and good quality. Now it's time to part, and I want to do a middle part. You know what I realized? I don't know if the hair is uneven, or did I put the hair on uneven? Like, should I have turned it more to the right? Oh, I think I'm about to fix it. Am I? I think it is even, right? Unless the hair is not the same length on both sides, or I must have just or maybe I just needed to turn it more. But I realized that like last minute. But I like to cut the lace in sections. It's just easier to just lay it down. And anyways, honestly, it's a habit, because I totally forgot I wasn't gluing this wig. It was a glueless. So I usually do the section thing when I'm gonna use glue, because it's easier to just, you know, lay down the lace section by section. But I totally forgot. Honestly, I think it's just a habit. And I decided to cut the lace off camera because it was just so complicated to see everything in my phone. So I just did that off camera. But now I'm just gonna be applying mousse just to flatten it down some, and I'm gonna be using the hot comb, and then after the hot comb I'm gonna be using their wax stick. So right now I'm just trying to do some more plucking and widen out that part a little more. Don't mind my nails, okay? It's the quarantine nails, and I just took off my polish. I had painted my nails, but I'm gonna be getting my nails done Wednesday, so y'all not gonna see my dusty nails no more, okay? Don't be hating on my nails. Don't not come for me, and don't come for my hands, okay? Because I just got out the shower after this video and I didn't put lotion on yet, so don't come for the ash. All right, don't hate. I'm just a regular smegular person. I get ashy and my nails is dingy right now, okay? But yeah, it was really hard trying to make the hairline natural, but it was really easy to pluck, like, you know, the closure, the hair, the part. So I'm just gonna be using the Got2b Gel just to put on the sides. So now I'm gonna be flat ironing the hair and adding a little bump to it. But honestly, I feel like the part is not straight in the middle. I don't know, like something's wrong with my eyes. I don't know what's wrong with it. Because even when I was taking pictures, like my part wasn't completely in the middle. And I don't know, my eyes just couldn't fix it to make it look like it was in the middle. I don't know, something must be wrong with my eyes. Like maybe I need a stronger prescription or something. But that part, I had trouble like trying to get it straight. Like I don't know what's up with me and my eyes. But I'm doing the trace method. But this hair is so soft. So this is the finished look, and we're gonna get into a quick honest review. I'm gonna try and keep this short, cute, and simple. So yeah, so this is 12 inches. The hair is super soft. My favorite part about this wig is the adjustable strap on the elastic band. I feel like that's pretty lit and it's pretty different. It's dope. Like, I don't know, I'm telling y'all, like, I never seen a wig that had the adjustable strap on it, so you can adjust it, you know, the way you like it, so that it's, and then so that it's super flat. And I feel like my hair, it feels like super secure. Like, I don't feel like it's gonna go nowhere. Like, I don't feel like, you know, if I go on a roller coaster or something, even though I don't have glue, like, I feel like my wig is still gonna stay on without glue. So it definitely feels very secure. I think it's pretty interesting how they put the like a little piece of lace around here. So it's like a very small, like this size y'all seen, piece of lace. It was like difficult to pluck it and make it natural the way I like it, because it's only so much lace. Like, look, it's like just a little tiny bit of lace. Like, it's only so much plucking you can do. I'm gonna still keep trying to work with it, you know, the more I wear it and stuff. But that's the only thing, you know, only thing I'm like, ugh, it's not really natural right there. Like, y'all didn't even have to just put lace at all. Just keep, you know, keep it as a closure. You didn't have to add a little extra piece of lace, because it was pretty hard for me to pluck. I don't know if it'll be hard for y'all, but I'm still in learning. I'm still in, you know, learning. I'm getting better at plucking though, okay? I'm getting better at plucking. Shoot, I'm not about to downplay myself. I'm getting better at plucking. But it was definitely hard to make it so natural with that little piece of lace. But this hair is very full and thick. Like I said, I've said it's like really thick at the ends. Very full. I love that. You know, we don't want no thin hair over here. I feel like this can pass as my hair. What y'all think? Okay, so then let's pull it up and see. Wow, y'all see how that y'all see how it just melts? And I didn't even like tie my hair down with a scarf or anything. I didn't do none of that. And it like, look how it just melts like into my skin. Like it just melts. But yeah, the key is, and also I bleached the knots. You guys don't have to bleach the knots. You can just use a powder. The powder I use is the L'Oreal True Match press powder, and just like a fluffy brush like this. And y'all seen I had put makeup on my my wig cap, and put makeup also on the lace, even though I bleached it, just so that it like looks more natural and looks more together. But yeah, would I recommend this hair? Yes, definitely. I would probably rate this hair 8.5. Yeah, so like I said, I just want to keep it short, simple, and sweet. I didn't want to do a long review, but yeah, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye.